Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today quickly let's unbox the FMS RC truck which I just purchased it today. And this truck is like from FMS. It is fcx24m, a 24 scale model, a really tiny one. To be honest, this is one of the smallest RC truck out of my collection actually. So out of these four trucks, I have just purchased this Range Rover version. So let me just open the box and see what else we can get inside this. So as soon as we open, we get to see the car itself. Then we have a transmitter there, and we have a charger and range and other few stickers. Then this is a transmitter itself. Looks pretty good quality, and I could see a lot of options on this, and steering wheel looks okay. Then I get to see few tools, and then we have this trail which we connect on the top of the roof of this RC itself. Then we have some metal gear. uh, that was all, I guess. There should be one sticker pack inside. So the car, I mean, when holding in hand, it looks really good actually. Not very heavy or very light. It's a medium one. It justifies its scale actually. So the shock absorbers looks very bouncy one. Not that exactly good. Not oil filled, I believe. Let me just try to open this up. Okay, so inside we could see a 050 brushed motor, then we can see a gearbox, we have a receiver, then a battery itself, and we could see a 2-speed gearbox servo as well. But it looks fine. Not observes looks very bouncy. See, I just applied the stickers and applied the accessories which I just got it in the box. This is how it looks. Let me know how good did you like this. Thank you. Thanks for your watching my video.